now that it's time to run the engine, and everything is packed again. And as you can see, the engine is running fine. No leakage, no nothing. No drop of leakage. Looks good. No drop. Not a single drop. I already tightened everything underneath. It's clean everything, you see. Dry, and it fits everywhere, you see, on the cross member. It looks good. Fixed all here, you see, on the cross member and lower down, and the swing here and the axle shaft everywhere, as you can see. It's fished off. This is great now, huh? So this is the way it is. So thank you for watching my video. Subscribe, leave a comment. This is the second video that I'm gonna post it. Trailer from Fiat.